Hello, today we are seeing how to use the crop and lock in Powertoys. So let's go.
So first here, open Powertoys, and then here, go to crop and lock. Here enable crop and lock. It is turned on. Here and thumbnail shortcuts. Here is it. Okay, go now to paint. Here, okay, press Windows Control Shift T. Here, select. You can see nothing. But here, if you start drawing, you can see the same thing. Next, here, let's close this window. And delete all of these. Here, Powertoys, and then the parent shortcut. Windows Control Shift R. Let's do it. Here, let's select. Here, you don't see the paint window. You can do the same thing as the paint application. Here, try this again. Windows Control Shift R. Here is it. You can do the same thing. But these do not. Let's see. Yeah, these things do work. So here, this is how you use crop and lock and Powertoys.
Fearless.